If I was not concerned about you and your air particles, I would fight you right now.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, she's alive. Welcome to Vlogmas. Hi, yes, good morning. It is Sunday. I got back on Friday. I was so tired, so tired. I can't even express to you how tired I've been. Now that I've had a full day of just doing nothing yesterday, I feel a little bit more like a human being. I think tomorrow I'll feel back at 100%, but it's just weird. Like, I didn't do anything, you know what I mean? Like, it's not like I was like walking a ton or like working out or doing anything, but it's like I just got home and just felt so tired from like sitting on the plane. Honestly, like my body was so sore. It's like 8 o'clock right now. I slept in, so crazy. But I'm trying to slowly get back into the swing of things. So yesterday I didn't do anything all day. Today I am going to partially do nothing all day, but I'm going to start, I'm having this like pre-workout crap, do a little arm workout and then try and clean my house, get some laundry done, unpack, and become a human being again.
Baby, I think I'm finally starting to get you. She told me through her teeth and her perfume, I never wanna see you again.
Ira very kindly made me coffee this morning, but I think I'm gonna reheat it as it's quite a few hours old now. But with it, for breakfast, I'm gonna have this cinnamon roll protein bar. These are so good, and it took me forever. I got one of these once on accident, and I couldn't find it in the same store again. They have other flavors too, but I'm very excited. This one, I'm just saying, this with coffee, I think it's gonna be cute.
That's cute.
You wanna try my bar that I searched for forever?
Let's see what it's all about. It's off the farm, huh? Thick bar. They're pretty good.
Yeah, they're so tasty. And they're like so much protein. 18 grams. 7 grams of fiber. You're welcome. I'm sorry, Thor, this is not for you. It's not.
Outside, staring at the cars as they pass by. You're drinking up the smoke if you're too high. You're never gonna come back down. And you said that it was Jesus who broke into your room.
Can you sing the song? Hey Lauren, can you sing the sun song?
If you sing it with me, I'll sing the sun song.
What's the good song? Hi Amy Lauren.
Hello. Are you excited for Christmas?
Sweater and I'm wearing a unicorn one.
Oh.
See how cool my kids are? Yeah. I think you just got out of singing.
Well, someone needs to show that kid the Vamanos song, because it's the best one. How does he know about swipe or no swiping, but doesn't know how to sing Let's Go Vamanos?
This ice cream or this ice cream? That ice cream cone. Okay, if I don't really have a choice, don't offer me a choice, sir. Oh, now I don't get any? Okay.
Am I on the naughty list?
Is Amy Lauren on the naughty list, Silo? No.
Thank you.
You weren't as resounding, but you did get a no.
Standing in the hall, I'll be gone soon. Who did I think?
Alright, I've been on the phone all day, but we're making some tomatillo sauce and some rice. I'm making cilantro lime rice for burrito bowls. My oven is off, but still somehow so loud. So what I've done here is I've taken the tomatillos, which we used to use in a restaurant that I worked at for a really long time, and every time I peel them, like tomatillos just give off a certain scent, and it's very reminiscent. Anyway, some got a little crispy, and that's okay, but I have half an onion, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 5 tomatillos. I would normally get some that are a little bit larger, but Instacart. I also have 3 big old cloves of garlic, and these I just roast in their skin or in the peel. I don't know, whatever that's called. And also jalapeno, and what I'm gonna do is remove the garlic peel and then put all of this into here. There's also like salt and pepper, and you could do other spices and whatever you want for your sauce in there, but you just broil this for like, I don't know, 10 minutes until things are starting to look nice and charred. Obviously I covered everything. I think I used like half a tablespoon of olive oil, so good luck. This is such a good recipe. Ooh look at that fresh saucy sauce.
And it's breaking up again. Telephone lines wrapped around my neck.
First of all, I'm a mess. Am I still in the clothes I worked out in? Yes. But additionally, my bathroom is also a disaster. But I wiped everything down. Everything that I took out of my suitcase, first of all, when I came in, I wiped the whole suitcase down, and then everything I took out either went immediately into the laundry or was wiped with a cleaning wipe. Anyway, I need to clean this whole bathroom, but I kind of want to do like a deep clean, you know? And like get into this stuff that has not been, like what's happening here? Why is this on the floor? What are you?
Kama Sutra, does it suit you? Your velvet dress is slipping off. Would you stay with me?
Oh my god, hello. So I just edited Vlogmas, well my Vlogmas, my fake Vlogmas, from my trip last week. And I was planning on today just getting it edited, hello Thor, and getting like the clips in place mostly so that I could sit down and like talk about my trip in between it. And then I looked at the footage and was like, I'm just gonna put this up today. So my point is, summarize my trip. It was good. I feel like as good as could be expected from, like, it's a work trip. I'm not, you know what I mean? It's like, I'm there to work. Honestly, the airport, both ways, like the actual plane, was very stressful and I hated it the entire time. And it was awful because normally there's direct flights, like there's always very easily a direct flight from Portland to New York. Apparently not anymore. So I had to fly from Portland to North Carolina, Charlotte, North Carolina, and then go up to New York. So it's like what was normally a 5-hour direct flight was an 11-hour airport day, both times. And it's like, I literally just sat in the bathroom because I had a really long layover at one point, and I just was in the, I was like telling my sister this, she was like, that's disgusting. I was like, I know. But I didn't really know what else to do because there were so many people, and like America is just so stupid. I'm sorry, but so stupid. And it's just like people that, oh, I don't know. And it's just like, I realize I'm a part of this stupid because I'm here and I'm doing this, but it's just like months ago, I said to my family, I was like, sorry, I'm not coming home at Christmas because I don't trust what's happening. Like, airlines don't care about you. All of my flights, someone was sitting next to me. Every single one of them. And I was like, I've known this. That's the thing, is like I kind of expected it, and so I was stressed, but I also was like, I just kind of came into this expecting the absolute worst, and then that's what was delivered. I was like, airlines just want their money. Like, they don't actually, you know, like nobody cares about your health and safety in this country. Kind of expected that to happen, and I wore a hoodie and a baseball hat so that I could pull the strings of the hoodie on top of my mask, so there was like basically this much of me showing. I hand sanitized constantly. I was like wiping everything down, and I was like, I do not care. And like I had a face shield on, and I could hear like there was a very douchey man that was like, seriously, and I was like, I would, like, if I was not concerned about you and your air particles, I would fight you right now. So yeah, we don't even need to talk about it further. It was awful. Airport experience, American Airlines, -100. Should have known at the American part. Anyway, so both ways, I am not exaggerating. I just am like, I can't even, like, at least, anyway, I don't even want to bring it up because it infuriates me too much. So once I got there, I felt a lot better because we, like, I ordered Postmates twice, like, for my meals. Like, that, I was like, we didn't really, I don't know, it's not like you can do anything right now. So I felt bad because I didn't really vlog anything fun, but I'm also, I mean, like, I had, like, it was nice, it was really nice to see Tiffany. I hadn't seen her in a while, and also, like, I like her sister and her cousin who were there, and she lives with them a lot as well, so it's nice to see all of them and hang out and do stuff, but at the same time, it's like, we can't do anything. And it also, it's just, like, such long work days, and it was just so exhausting because I flew in and I got in at like 9:30 East Coast time, which is 6:30 p.m. my time, and it's like we have to be at work at 9 a.m. the next day, which is me being at work at 6 a.m. That's, and it's just, it's difficult to like try and fall asleep at a time because like I'm someone that requires a full night's rest, and it's just hard. Like, it's only 3-hour difference, but it's, I swear it's like worse. Like, I've gone to Europe, I've gone to other places, I'm very fortunate to have done all that, and I swear the 3-hour time difference is the worst one, because it's like just enough that you're just screwed. I was exhausted is the point to my story, so I also was not very fun. And it's just like, you're also not in your house. Like, I brought granola bars for every day of the week, and I was like, at least I can wake up and like eat a granola bar and know that I have something in my system, which was good, because it's like, you don't really, like, I don't know, there was a couple, like, there was a day where I had a pastry and a Trader Joe's macaroni and cheese, and that's all that I ate that day. That is not enough, that is not enough food, that is not enough nutrient, nourishment. It was horrible. No, so anyway, point to this whole story is the entire week, like, and this is nothing on anyone, it's just that's what it is, what it is, was like, I was just hungry and tired and exhausted always. So I'm very happy to be home. Ira, bless this man's heart, he had the house cleaned, he vacuumed, he ordered food from one of my favorite restaurants and like had it all laid out, and he was like, I'll heat it up for you, like, if you like, just tell me when you're close and I'll get it heated up. So he had all of the food laid out, he had a glass of wine, my big cup of water ready for me, because he had it all laid out, he had all the Christmas lights lit, he had a candle going for me. All the outdoor lights, you can kind of still see them, they're out over there. He had everything done. He changed the sheets. This man put fresh sheets on the bed for me, which that means so much. And I came home and like Thor was so excited. I wanted to wipe everything down before I brought it into the house and like wash my hands and strip my clothes and stuff. Thor was literally whimpering because I was not petting him fast enough. So anyway, it feels very good to be home. Again, trip was good. I don't mean to just be like, everything was, no, it wasn't. It was good. It's just that it was like a work trip during a pandemic. So yeah, don't recommend is what I'm saying. Don't recommend. Okay, sorry my dishwasher is going hella loud, but I think for dinner we're gonna be real lame. I don't know, I just need to eat some vegetables. Like, you leave, you travel, you need some vegetables. So these are actually jicama sticks that have like chili lime salt on them that Ira ordered when he ordered my dinner when I came home on Friday, and I'm thinking that they would be good on a salad. So I have baby arugula, I'm gonna add a little bit of feta. I got these nice little cherry tomatoes I'm gonna use on mine, and this avocado feels like it might be ready. So along with it, I'm gonna have a little bit of soup, but Ira he's not a soup person, which is so stupid to me. So to all my not soup people, you're represented in this house. Anyway, so for it, I'm going to make kind of like a lemon vinaigrette is what I was thinking. I feel like, I don't know, salad dressing is so easy to make. I've been making a lot of it lately, and I feel like you can always make a good one. Honestly, just straight up olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper is delicious, but I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic and I think some of this Dijon and see what happens. Alright, we got a little bit of salad. I have to put the tomatoes on just mine because Ira doesn't like it. And I think I'm gonna put the avocado on last, like once it's on the plate, because otherwise they get banged up, you know? But I'm gonna give this one more little shake, and then we're gonna drizzle this on here and call it done. Also, my boss gave me this candle, which was very cute of him, as a little piece of New York to take home, which I thought was very quaint. So look at this, it's a little New York Christmas. A little New York Christmas. Anyway, so look at this pretty candle. So iridescent, so beautiful. Smells fantastic. I'm like, I kind of want to light you, but you're also beautiful, so maybe you'll just live here forever. Ooh, I almost forgot the most important piece. What are you saying to me? What are you interrupting my channel for? You need me to put your mask on?
Thor needs you to put my mask on.
Thor, you need me to put your mask on?
100 100% guarantee that it's gonna be upside down.
These don't have a right way.
Oh, they definitely do.
Huh. Well, I've been wearing them however I want for quite a while.
Oh, it's on the right way.
See? No faith. I'm gonna wash my hands now. As I was saying, I know that this soup and salad dinner seems very healthy, so don't worry. We also have some brot, parmesan, and garlic. This dense bread is loaded with garlic and parmesan cheese for zesty, full flavor. That's what I like to hear, folks. Look at it toasting. Oh, I also, for dessert, I made these cookies yesterday, which came out so good, and I'm so impressed with myself. I'm like, I know I already put up a cookie recipe, but y'all want to see another one? Let me know, because these, okay, I was a little inebriated, I'm gonna tell you, and I needed a cookie. So I put everything we had in them. So there is peanut butter chocolate chips, there are regular chocolate chips, there's mini marshmallows, brown sugar, white sugar, I high key, oh, there's graham cracker crumbs. That's the other thing that actually makes this very good. I was kind of thinking if I got some of those little pretzels and put them in here, let me know if you want to know how to make them.